Crypto fans, I've got some good news for you. As a buy signal gets flashed from other sectors, giving us the thumbs up. Yes, that's right. I'm going to share with you some charts that you're not going to see anywhere else. Going to show you that maybe it's time to actually start buying big. Starting it off with your comments. Pesky Logic Talinsky hates YouTube says they're literally holding the bulls back. The trials are about what you said, to expose and to hold the institutional bulls back. It's obvious, just like the Fed rate hikes, forced manipulation. Messy Leo says, can they appeal the clarity after? Yes, they can appeal. When the case is all said and done, they can still appeal. Pancho Hernandez says, Ledger shouldn't have done backdoor action. That's what she said. But now on to buy signals. And the big point that you're going to see in this video is that weakness in the other sectors that have been strong, sectors that have been draining money, is now a good thing for crypto. Wait until you see the examples I've got for you. Looking at the crypto market, and we know money is tight, so there's only so much money that can flow in and out of things, right? Ebbs and flows. Now, what if I told you that several sectors out there are flashing red right now? Money is leaving them, and maybe there's a chance that it could go into crypto. But let's first take a look. Look at gold's big pullback here. Now, a $50, $60, $70 pullback in gold is massive. Jobs report being juicy did not help things out at all. So you got a lot of people bailing on gold. Gold was really holding 1900 here for a while. All right, the gold bulls were hanging out. They just got absolutely crushed, and now you're looking at, we got to a low of 1815. If we would have touched into the 17s, whoa. Okay, so money leaving the gold sector. Seeing similar thing with silver, right? Silver was holding on strong to that 22.5. Now, the reason I bring up gold and silver, precious metals. I know a lot of you like to stack, and you're seeing those markets just get trounced now, okay? So now, people that like to trade, make money on things, they're sitting here going, okay, well, if there's no juice here, we got to go somewhere where there is juice, all right? So that's gold and silver. Check this out. Oil, same thing. Heavily rejected here. 91.88 to 81.50. More than a 10% drop in oil. And remember, oil support right now is above $70. That's what we've been seeing. This big pushback in oil is huge. So again, traders are looking at this going, well, wait a minute. We tried several days in a row to break 95, and they were able to do it one day for just a smidgen of time. Could not do it, have been rejected hard ever since. So you're seeing that not hold. Again, traders that like to play the commodities are getting rejected. Now, on the stock side of it, right, DRDGOLD, same thing. Look at this. Look at this obvious rejection from their highs. Money, people aren't going to be playing this. People shorted the hell out of this. It's too late to really short it now. That's just my opinion. I mean, it's small gains, but whatever. But again, money is leaving the sector. So when we look at crypto here, we're like, okay, cool. Other sectors now are feeling the heat. They're feeling the heat. Money is leaving those. We're seeing pumps and dumps everywhere, not just in the crypto world, but in almost every financial freaking sector out there. So this definitely primes up the money to start flowing into crypto into other areas. Now, you would say, hey, maybe housing would be somewhere where people, would want to do it. Yeah, except there's just limited inventory. So now you've got a whole bunch of housing money that now is still trying to find a now place to go to. All right, yeah, I got you. There's still some bond action out there. Bonds are still juicy, but bonds aren't going to hold that long, and we know there's going to be a pivot. So think about that, right? Crypto market has been, when you look at the crypto charts, right, they have been just bearish for a while, right? Market is primed for some action. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, nothing like that. I'm not saying, oh, we're going to go to the moon. No bullshit like that. What I'm saying is the crypto markets have just been junk for a while right here. Look at that, 6-month time period, just no action. A couple hits you could have made here and there. Buy the rumor, sell the news. But you got sectors out there that are losing their oomph. Silver down big, gold down big, oil rejected. That's some big money out there. A lot of people that need to make money, a lot of people that need to trade. That's how they make their living, institutions, and they're going to be looking, going, what can we put our money in right now? What has been waiting for a while? What has been boring? What has been beaten up? Where can we get in, start causing some pumps? Now, will it last? Most likely not, guys. Just my opinion, but pumps and dumps. But they're eyeing up opportunities out there. We just have to see if crypto is going to be one of them. Now, I know, I get it. You're a little freaked out because I brought some good news. Well, is it really good news? I mean, silver is down, gold is down big. We're a bunch of us here are stackers, right? You guys know I'm a huge gold person. I got out of my gold positions a while ago because I just knew shit was not going to hold. But we're seeing precious metals markets get beaten on down. Oil now, that's another one getting pushed down. There's a lot of money out there, and that money like flows, right? Like it sloshes around. And if all of a sudden you get a restriction over here, well, that money can't slosh here. It's got to go somewhere else. I mean, people need to make money. These traders, these investors, they have to trade 24/7. Businesses don't just stop on the financial front just because things aren't good. No, they need to keep their clients happy. They need to keep the institutional bags happy. And you're just looking out there to see what sector they're going to move into next. Housing, like I said, housing is just tough. Limited supply. You're looking out there going limited supply. Prices are legit, but you got, some big interest loans, so it becomes a real cash heavy market. People are still thinking, well, we're kind of at the peak now, we might be on the backside here soon. Money won't be going in on a big scale then. That's why you're seeing kind of supply kind of dwindle down a little bit here. So yeah, very interesting stuff. I just wanted to share it with you. Good news for the crypto markets as bad news from other sectors pile in. And who says I don't bring in good news? Now, I already did my training session today. It was a 55-minute bike session. How much fun is that? I'm off tomorrow, and then I run a 1 hour, 45-minute duration run on Sunday. So what am I doing? Recovery drink right now, because I got a lift later today. Getting ready for an ultra, everyone. You cool cats, though? Have a great rest of your day.